Alright guys, we're at Whitehaven, walking up the steep steps to the top of the mountain. It's been raining off and on, and there are mosquitoes everywhere, and they love this white guy. Oh, need a break?
See?
It's definitely steep. Definitely steep. Sorry, babe. The one time you're thirsty, we don't have water. And if you fall, that would really suck on these rocks. That's a great idea. Loose rocks on stairs. Thank God I took a shower with DEET this morning. A guy. Oh, a little pool. There's the ocean. Hey, somebody gave up. They started to make the concrete stairs. Holy crap. They should call it mosquito heaven. I just walked into a swarm of them. Damn mosquitoes. Damn mosquitoes. Almost to the top. Hey, the path to heaven isn't easy. Huh? I love it when mosquitoes bite my sunburn. They should build a slide for on the way down. Come on. Wow. That's pretty cool. Good morning. Good morning, mountain. That's cool. We'll get you some water. Wow. Are those graves? Huh? Do people get buried up here? They're just crosses? Oh, that's so nice. Holy crap, don't.
It's not ant. Shit. Oh, it's a cockroach.
Not cockroaches, those are like termites or some weird ant beetle. Oh, shit. Where is what? Wait, to go higher?
It's there.
Hold on. Guys, this is pretty cool. She left me on top of a mountain. Hey, you're leaving me alone in the jungle. She's like, please don't leave me alone in the woods.
Here, I got it.
All right. I told her I would never leave her alone in the woods. She left me alone in the jungle. Oh shit. Okay. Well. Okay, so White Heaven is somewhat new. In the past year, they created this spot. Oh yeah. We're getting higher.
Wanna go first?
We'll do it together. Crazy jungle spiders. This looks like a great place for snakes and things that can kill me. Whoa. Okay. Be careful. Thank you, tree. Oh, it's getting steep. Be careful. Haha. There's Anda. So cool. Wow. Check it out. Whoa. Guys,
Just made it to the top.
we made it to the top of White Heaven. All that is Anda. Actually, we're not at the top yet. Almost there. Anda. So beautiful.
Give me it. I'll stay there.
Steady. I'm on top of the world! Or at least on top of Anda. You can see the public beach over there. All of Anda. That's the road we took in. Took that road coming in. Over here. Holy jungle. Great craftsmanship.
Look.
I love the Philippines. You got some crazy shit like this. You guys see that? It's a giant millipede. Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Here in the jungle. In the jungle, you'll find crazy things. Size comparison. That's huge. In the jungle. Here you go, Josh. Look at this. Giant millipede. Size comparison. Guys, we made it to the top.
Oh, there's another.
Yeah, see? We're higher.
For privacy.
It's beautiful here. I love the Philippines. doing the sun dance up here. Okay, well, yeah. Keep doing the sun dance. We need lots of sun. Get all these clouds out of here. Oh, this is amazing. It's so beautiful. I'm being careful. Trust me, I don't want to die. Oh, Lamanok, yeah. We were there last year. Totally worth the long climb up. If you guys are in the area and you want to check out Whitehaven, apparently this is a pretty new spot. They just cleared the way to make a path up here. So in the description below, I'll put a link to the map on directions on how to get here. It's not hard to find. Just look for the mountain with two big sticks. Yeah, going the way to Lamanok. And I'll do a video on the front entrance of the road to show you guys what it looks like, because really it just looks like we passed it actually, and she lives here. It just looks like somebody's little pathway to their house. But
Yeah, it was you now.
yeah.
Wasn't like this. I mean,
Yeah, they're still working on it. They're still, they're still setting up crosses, still making the pathway better. But pretty cool place, guys. Come check it out. I mean, who wouldn't love this view? All right, let's go get some breakfast. I'm hungry. We need water.
and yeah, you have to tell them that they really need to bring water when they go.
Yeah, bring water, but don't leave the water bottles like these assholes. I'm taking these water bottles with us just because why the hell are you gonna trash up this beautiful place? Fuck plastic. Yeah, bring water though, just don't leave it on top. Okay, heading down Whitehaven. Where are those water bottles at?
I got it.
Okay, cool. Whoa, and we found a cave. Almost to the tippity top.
Not there. Here.
There's a cave. I know. Oh, it feels cool in there too. You want to go in?
No.
Why not?
No.
Come on, let's go.
No. Wait, I don't know this one.
Well, maybe
Maybe
we'll find some bats. Oh, looks like it goes deep.
Yeah. So I'm gonna fart.
Okay. Oh. Alright.
Fucking stink.
Yeah, you stink, you monkey. We're in the jungle!
Here's another one. I think the same.
Yeah,
the
yeah,
same.
it leads to the same. Alright, just to let you know, this is a volcano rock. Volcano rock is super jagged, super sharp. So, obviously it doesn't even look like you should touch it, so don't. Cool cave. It was slippery coming up, so please be careful. Alright, getting down is even funner. We always end up climbing mountains together. Okay. Try not to fall on your ass this time. Easy. Yeah, I'm not wearing hiking boots.
Yeah, I forgot to tell you that.
It's okay. Yeah, right now it's totally free, guys. Yeah, I'm sure the more popular it gets, they're gonna start charging you. Yeah, they didn't charge us, but that doesn't mean they won't start charging people. Whoa, slippery. Someone's been planting a lot of beautiful flowers. Yeah, guys, if you're in the town Anda, you have to come here. It's so close, so beautiful. And I'm sure when they do start charging money, it's probably only going to be 50 pesos max. It's so nice. What?
There's a bird, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, a bunch of papaya trees. Yummy.
Maybe I'll just ride this going down.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Okay. Let's get this done.
Alright guys, see you at the bottom. Alright, we're going back through the entrance. Yeah, it's so nice here. Got a jackfruit tree right above us. Nice field with some cows, a bunch of chickens. Do you know why he was carving this thing? I thought maybe he was making a wood carving. He's carving that for something.
Peeling it off. Maybe to not grow it again. Or, yeah. So just to clean it up.
There's grass up front. Yeah, guys, so just look for this pathway.
Oh, there's a tub.
Yeah. This little tub, take a bath. I mean, somebody actually uses it. The water doesn't look too clean, but we are in the Philippines. So yeah, this is the entrance. It's on the road that leads to the Lamanok Islands. Just right outside from downtown Anda. We are up there. Alright guys, it's been fun.